Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to the Healthcare Advice column. Let's follow along. What really makes the difference between a healthy heart and a heart that is always in an alarming state? Is it expensive medicine? Is it dense test results? Or, more simply, is it what we choose to eat every day? You might be surprised if I told you that, with just a few familiar fruits, you can completely proactively protect your cardiovascular system, reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, stroke, or high blood pressure without the need for a prescription. During the process of working with cardiovascular patients, I realized one thing. Why tried pointing backhand index small eating habits, repeated long enough, have the power to change the diagnosis results. And so I began my journey to discover fruits that are not only delicious and easy to find but also have a clear impact on blood pressure, cholesterol, blood vessel elasticity, and even stroke risk. In today's article, I want to invite you to join me in exploring 9 fruits that have been scientifically proven to be beneficial for the cardiovascular system, along with how to use them, the appropriate dosage, and even small but important notes if you are taking medication. And who knows, after reading this, you may see fruit not only as a dessert but as a sweet medicine that nature has prepared for us for a long time. Imagine this: a 58-year-old man named Robert walks into the air with a slight shortness of breath. No chest pain, no dizziness. Just a little fatigue after mowing the lawn. 2 hours later, he's on a ventilator after suffering a pulmonary embolism, a blood clot that traveled from his leg to his lungs. He didn't see it coming. His labs were normal. He wasn't even overweight. But he sat at a desk for hours every day, didn't hydrate enough, and had a love for sugary snacks. The real culprit? A clot formed silently and struck without mercy. This isn't a rare story. As a physician who spent more than 25 years treating cardiovascular conditions, I've seen how invisible threats like blood clots devastate lives in seconds. And here's what many people don't know: your kitchen holds more life-saving tools than your medicine cabinet, especially if you know what to look for. In this article, we'll uncover 14 fruits that science supports as powerful allies in preventing and even naturally helping to break down dangerous blood clots. These aren't miracle cures. But when paired with good habits, they're your best silent protectors. But before we dive into the fruits, you need to understand the enemy. What are blood clots really, and why are they so dangerous? Your body is brilliant. When you cut yourself, it quickly seals the wound through clot formation, a cascade of proteins and platelets that stop bleeding. But when this system misfires, say, forming a clot in your deep veins, like in the leg, called deep vein thrombosis, or DVT, that clot can travel and cause fatal blockages in your lungs, pulmonary embolism, or brain, stroke. Here's what contributes to clot formation. Dehydration thickens the blood. Poor circulation, from long hours of sitting or lack of exercise. Inflammation, often driven by processed foods, stress, and hidden illnesses. Oxidized LDL cholesterol, damages blood vessels and encourages clotting. Genetics and medications, like birth control or hormone therapy. Most terrifying? Clots often form with zero symptoms until they strike. Left-pointing magnifying glass: can the body dissolve clots naturally? Yes, it can. The body produces an enzyme called plasmin, which breaks down fibrin, the sticky protein that holds clots together. But here's the catch: plasmin only works efficiently when the body isn't in a state of chronic inflammation or nutritional deficiency. If you're constantly inflamed, dehydrated, or nutrient-deprived, that clot-busting system fails silently. Now for the good news: certain fruits contain compounds that help reactivate these natural defense mechanisms. Some mimic the activity of clot-busting enzymes. Others reduce inflammation. Some thin the blood naturally, hydrate your system, or repair blood vessel walls. Let's explore the 14 fruits that can help, not as a replacement for medicine, but as powerful reinforcements in your fight against cardiovascular disease. Guava, Psidium guajva, the fiber-rich vascular guardian. If I had to name one fruit that's deeply underrated in cardiovascular health, it would be guava. Popular in tropical countries but often overlooked in Western diets, guava is a nutritional powerhouse. What makes it special for clot prevention? Electric light bulb. How it works. High in dietary fiber, this is critical. Soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol, which in turn reduces damage to the inner lining of blood vessels, the very site where clots often form. Rich in vitamin C, guava has almost 4x more vitamin C than oranges. This antioxidant protects blood vessels from oxidative stress, a known precursor to clot formation. Potassium and magnesium content, these minerals regulate blood pressure and vascular tone, lowering the risk of endothelial injury, the trigger for clotting. Clinical insight. In my clinic, I once worked with a 52-year-old woman, Letitia, who had mild hypertension and elevated cholesterol, but refused statins due to side effects. We focused on dietary interventions, including adding guava smoothies 3 times a week. After 6 months, her lipid profile improved, especially LDL and triglycerides, and she reported better digestion and energy. While it wasn't the only factor, the guava's high antioxidant and fiber content played a notable role. Warning sign caveats. Guava is high in natural sugars, so portion control is important for diabetics. The seeds may be difficult for people with diverticulitis or gastrointestinal issues. Tooth pineapple, Ananas commosus, nature's natural blood thinner. When it comes to clot busting, pineapple brings something special to the table, an enzyme called bromelain. This isn't just folk wisdom. Bromelain has been scientifically studied for its ability to modulate the coagulation system. Electric light bulb. How it works. Bromelain breaks down fibrin, the protein that stabilizes blood clots. It reduces platelet aggregation, which means platelets are less likely to clump together and form clots. It also has anti-inflammatory and mild blood-thinning properties, similar in mechanism, though not strength, to aspirin. Microscope. What research says. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that oral bromelain supplementation decreased fibrinogen levels and increased fibrinolytic activity in blood samples, key in preventing thrombosis. Clinical reflection. In post-operative care, especially for orthopedic surgeries like knee replacements, some surgeons abroad recommend bromelain to reduce clot risk and inflammation. While I wouldn't advise using pineapple in place of anticoagulants, I do believe it serves as a helpful adjunct for clot-prone patients, especially when taken between meals on an empty stomach, when bromelain absorption is highest. Warning sign. Medication interactions. Bromelain may interact with blood thinners, warfarin, aspirin, clopidogrel. Always consult a doctor before using it in therapeutic doses. 3. Pomegranate, Punica granatum, the arterial rejuvenator. Pomegranate isn't just symbolic of life and fertility in ancient texts, it's also a fountain of arterial health in modern medicine. Known for its intense red juice, it is packed with polyphenols, especially punicalagins, which are powerful antioxidants. Electric light bulb. How it works. Improves endothelial function. Healthy endothelium means less chance of clot formation. Reduces oxidative stress. Less oxidation is equal to less sticky cholesterol particles is equal to lower clot risk. Lowers systolic blood pressure. By improving nitric oxide availability, pomegranate helps dilate blood vessels naturally. Study Spotlight. One landmark study in clinical nutrition showed that drinking 50 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily for 1 year led to a 30% reduction in carotid artery plaque thickness. This isn't just about thinning blood, it's about reversing the terrain that breeds clots. From the doctor's notebook. I remember a retired teacher named Raj, 66, who had a history of carotid artery narrowing but was hesitant about surgical intervention. We implemented a combined approach, a Mediterranean-style diet, moderate walking, and a daily serving of fresh pomegranate. After 9 months, his imaging showed no further plaque progression. He stayed stable for years after, and I firmly believe the pomegranate helped slow the inflammatory cascade. Warning sign practical tips. Avoid pomegranate cocktail drinks with added sugar. Use pure juice or fresh seeds. It may interact mildly with statins and blood pressure meds, so moderation is key. 4. Apple, Malus domestica, the fiber and flavonoid combo. An apple a day keeps the doctor away isn't just a cliché, it's rooted in science. Apples are one of the most researched fruits for heart health, and what they lack in exotic flair, they make up for in consistency and practicality. Electric light bulb. How it works. Soluble fiber, especially pectin, binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, reducing its absorption. Quercetin, a flavonoid found in the apple's skin, has anti-inflammatory and antithrombotic properties. Polyphenols in apples improve vascular elasticity and lower blood pressure, indirectly reducing clot formation risk. Left-pointing magnifying glass. What science says. A large cohort study from the British Medical Journal followed over 85,000 adults for 10 years. The group that consumed apples regularly had a significantly lower incidence of ischemic stroke. The protective effect was especially noticeable in those over age 50. Clinical perspective. I once treated a 70-year-old retired librarian, Margaret, who came in with elevated LDL and borderline blood sugar. She had poor dental health and couldn't chew nuts or raw veggies well, but she loved apples. We introduced baked cinnamon apples as her afternoon snack, skin on, 4 to 5 times a week. Within 6 months, not only did her lipid panel improve, but she reported less afternoon fatigue. Apples became a cornerstone of her dietary plan. Warning sign. Pro tips. Always eat the skin, that's where quercetin and fiber live. Avoid apple juices, they strip out the fiber and concentrate the sugar. Baked, stewed, or raw, apples retain their vascular benefits if the peel is intact. 5. Papaya, Carica papaya, the enzymatic ally for circulatory balance. Papaya might not be the first fruit that comes to mind when thinking about heart health, but it's one of the most enzyme-rich foods, especially papain, which offers similar, though milder, effects to bromelain in pineapple. Electric light bulb. How it works. Papain can thin mucus and reduce blood viscosity, indirectly easing clot risk. Papaya is loaded with vitamin C, folate, and potassium, nutrients that support endothelial function and blood pressure regulation. Contains lycopene, a carotenoid that's been linked to lower risk of stroke and blood clots. Research in action. A study from the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily intake of ripe papaya significantly improved inflammatory biomarkers and lipid profiles in individuals over 60, particularly in women with metabolic syndrome. Clinical anecdote. One of my patients, Quan, a 60-year-old with metabolic syndrome and signs of early vascular inflammation, adopted a papaya ball breakfast 3 times a week, diced papaya, a squeeze of lime, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. After 3 months, her hsCRP, a marker of inflammation, dropped, and her triglyceride levels improved. the simple addition of enzyme-rich fruit was surprisingly impactful. Warning sign note: papaya may interact with blood-thinning meds, especially if taken in large amounts. Green, unripe papaya, used in salads like som tam, contains more active enzymes. Use with caution if on anticoagulants. 6. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, the polyphenol powerhouse. When it comes to pure antioxidant capacity, berries reign supreme. They are dense in anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep hues, and these compounds have profound cardiovascular effects. Electric light bulb mechanisms of action. Anthocyanins reduce platelet aggregation, a key step in clot formation. Berries enhance nitric oxide production, helping vessels dilate properly. Polyphenols in berries reduce oxidative damage to LDL particles, preventing atherosclerotic plaque buildup, the fertile soil for clots. Microscope research backing. In the landmark Nurses' Health Study, women who consumed 3 or more servings of berries per week had a 32% lower risk of myocardial infarction than those who ate them less often. This wasn't just correlation. Biochemical markers like vascular adhesion molecules were lower in regular berry consumers. Real-life experience. A middle-aged couple, Emily and Dave, were both overweight and pre-diabetic. I recommended they replace their nightly dessert with a berry ball, frozen mixed berries topped with unsweetened yogurt and ground flaxseed. Not only did their sweet cravings drop, but both showed improved HDL levels and blood pressure within 4 months. Warning sign notes. Choose fresh or frozen over dried. Dried berries have concentrated sugar. Berries are generally safe even with blood thinners, but berry extracts or supplements can interfere with meds in rare cases. 7. Avocado, Persea americana, the monounsaturated marvel. If fruits were ranked by surprising functionality, avocado would top the list. Technically a fruit, a single-seeded berry, the avocado's high monounsaturated fat content, low sugar load, and dense nutritional profile make it a potent antithrombotic food, particularly for those battling metabolic dysfunction and endothelial injury. Electric light bulb: why it works. Oleic acid, 70% of the fat in avocados, reduces oxidative stress on LDL cholesterol, preventing it from forming plaques. Avocados are rich in vitamin K1, critical for calcium metabolism and vascular integrity, yet less likely than K2 to interact with warfarin. High potassium and magnesium levels support vascular tone and rhythm stability. Microscope studies speak. A Journal of the American Heart Association trial demonstrated that replacing saturated fats with avocado fat in the diet significantly improved LDL particle size, lowered inflammation markers, IL-6, CRP, and improved endothelial function within weeks. Case story. James, a 62-year-old ex-smoker with elevated triglycerides and a history of a minor TIA, transient ischemic attack, was skeptical about dietary changes. We started by switching his buttered toast breakfast to whole grain plus smashed avocado plus chili flakes. Within 2 months, his triglycerides dropped 30 points. It wasn't just the avocado, it was the domino effect of one healthy change influencing others. Warning sign: watch out. Portion control matters. 1 avocado is equal to ~250 kcal. Avocados are high in vitamin K1, not usually problematic, but worth monitoring for patients on vitamin K-sensitive anticoagulants. 9. Tomato, Solanum lycopersicum, the antiplatelet underdog. Tomatoes aren't flashy, but their hidden chemical weapon is lycopene, a carotenoid that reduces platelet aggregation, improves arterial compliance, and may prevent LDL oxidation, all of which are key contributors to thrombosis. Electric light bulb: key actions. Lycopene inhibits prothrombotic signaling in platelets. Tomatine, a lesser-known alkaloid, may affect endothelial health. Cooked tomatoes, e.g. in sauce or paste, have higher lycopene bioavailability than raw. Microscope scientific evidence. A British Journal of Nutrition meta-analysis found that diets high in tomatoes led to lower platelet reactivity, particularly in men over 50 with metabolic syndrome. Another study showed that a tomato extract supplement decreased platelet aggregation by 70%, similar to aspirin, though less sustained. Real case: Anna, a 54-year-old with prehypertension and family history of stroke, hated raw tomatoes but loved marinara. We designed a heart-friendly tomato dinner, 3x week, whole grain pasta, olive oil, garlic, and tomato paste sauce. 6 months later, her blood pressure normalized, and her carotid intima-media thickness slightly regressed, a rare but documented outcome with diet plus walking. Warning sign: heads up. Tomato extract supplements, like Fruit Flow registered trademark symbol, have measurable antiplatelet activity. Caution in patients on aspirin or clopidogrel. Fresh tomatoes is equal to safe. Extracts is equal to check drug interactions first. 3. Orange, citrus sinensis, the citrus solution to blood viscosity. Often unfairly lumped in with high-sugar fruits, oranges are a complex cardiovascular ally, particularly for their role in blood fluidity, endothelial function, and blood pressure control. Electric light bulb active agents. Hesperidin, a citrus bioflavonoid, improves capillary permeability and vascular relaxation. Vitamin C reduces systemic inflammation and lowers fibrinogen, a key clotting factor. Oranges provide citrate, which may naturally help prevent calcium-based clots in arteries. Microscope clinical insight. A trial published in American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that 500 ml of orange juice daily for 4 weeks reduced diastolic BP, improved endothelial markers, E-selectin, and had a mild but notable antiplatelet effect. Story in practice. Carlos, a 68-year-old taxi driver with controlled diabetes and atrial fibrillation, was worried about fruit. We added half a fresh orange with breakfast daily, emphasizing whole fruit over juice. His cardiologist noticed more stable BP, and Carlos felt less foggy during long shifts, likely due to improved circulation and hydration. Warning sign: quick tips. Avoid commercial juices, they lack fiber and spike glycemia. Whole orange or orange segments is equal to excellent. Blood oranges offer extra anthocyanins, even better. Quick do's and don'ts for clinical safety. White heavy checkmark: do. Emphasize whole fruits over extracts or juices. Monitor vitamin K intake in patients on warfarin. Rotate fruits to minimize excess sugar from any one source. No entry sign: don't. Combine multiple high-enzyme fruits, like pineapple plus papaya, with anticoagulants without monitoring. Recommend supplements, lycopene, bromelain, etc., without checking for interactions. Assume natural is equal to safe. Always consider medication and comorbidity context. We have just gone through a journey together to discover 9 types of fruit, seemingly familiar, but containing silent healing power. Each slice of kiwi, each orange segment, each pomegranate seed, is not only nutritious, but also small bricks that build a strong cardiovascular system, prevent strokes, keep blood flowing smoothly, and improve longevity in silence. I wrote this series not only to share knowledge, but also to change eating habits, step by step, for people who are living in anxiety because of high blood pressure, blood fat, or the risk of stroke. If you find this content useful, applicable, or suggest something new in health thinking, please help me spread this message further. Small Blue Diamond: what can you do? Share the article with relatives, friends, or patients who need it. Leave a comment or feedback, I read them all, and it is the inspiration for me to continue writing. If you want to support me in creating more in-depth content, you can buy a virtual cup of coffee or follow the channel to update the latest series. White right pointing backhand index every share, every word of encouragement helps me continue to research and write simple medical content but full of practical value. Thank you for accompanying me until the last lines.